Hello friends, welcome to CAD Maniac. This is Jitavo. Today in this tutorial we will learn how to download Autodesk AutoCAD in laptop for free and then how to install AutoCAD in laptop, and we will discuss about various problems regarding the AutoCAD installation. So AutoCAD 2018 and AutoCAD 2019 are for 32-bit operating system, and AutoCAD 2020 and AutoCAD 2021 are for 64-bit operating system. Next question arises is, who can get AutoCAD license for free? So only the students and educators who are currently enrolled in some recognized university or school with valid documents can get the AutoCAD license for free for a year. Previously it was for 3 years. And ex-students won't be able to get AutoCAD for free. They have to buy it from Autodesk. So let's learn how to create Autodesk student account and what documents you have to upload. So type AutoCAD student in your browser and press enter. Don't download trial version, otherwise it will be valid for only 30 days. Then click on this first link. Then click on sign in. Now those who have already an account in Autodesk can directly sign in, and those who are new simply click on create account. Then type in your name, email ID and a password. Follow all the instructions while creating the password. Tick this checkbox and click on create account. Click on done. Then click on get products. Here Autodesk greets you. Then click on get started and then sign in using your email ID and password. Then click on get verification email. Then open your email. Then click on verify email sent by Autodesk. Then click on done. Then again click on get started and sign in using your credentials. Next select your country from here. Select educational role from here. This is one of my students' account, so I am selecting student. Select institute type from here. Set your date of birth. And then click on next. Now type your educational institute's name here, and if your institute's name doesn't show here, then just start typing your institution's name. Then click on can't find your school option and then add your institution's name with all the details and wait for 3-4 days, it might get added. Then select your area of study. Then select the month and the year when you have enrolled in the institution, and then select the month and year when you will get graduated from the institute. Then click on next and then click on continue. Then click on get started again. Then just cross check all the details you filled in and then click on verify. Now you have to upload a valid document. The document must have your institute's name, your name with a valid date. So you can upload your computer generated iCard. So click on browse, then select your ID. Here you can see the validity is mentioned. Handwritten IDs will not be accepted. In that case you can upload your transcript, or you can request your institute to provide you a letter of confirmation in the institution's letter pad mentioning your name and your tenure. Now click on open and then click on submit. Now Autodesk will take up to 20 minutes to validate your account. So click on close. So within seconds Autodesk has validated the account. Now just scroll down and click on get product under AutoCAD. This is for Windows and here is AutoCAD for Mac. From here you can choose any of the versions depending upon your operating system. Select language from here. Then either click on install or click on this downwards arrow and click on download. Autodesk Download Manager will be installed. It will be around 1.7 GB. You will need at least 10 Mbps internet connection for this to download. And if you have installed any dummy software, then make sure you uninstall all the files before installing the original software. Otherwise it won't work. Then click on open and then OK. it will start extracting the file, which will be around 4 GB. Then click on install. Select your country from here. Click on accept. Read the agreement if you want to. Then click on next. And then finally click on install. Install AutoCAD 2020 or AutoCAD 2021 if you have 64-bit operating system. So once it is installed, click on launch now. This is the migration setting. If you have any prior version, then you can migrate this over that. I am cancelling it. Then click on this first option. Now you have to sign in using your Autodesk ID. No serial key will be required. Just sign in using your email. Make sure you have an active internet connection. If your internet connection is off, then you will be able to use it for 30 minutes only. So this is all about AutoCAD download and installation. Now if you like the video, then subscribe CAD Maniac. You will get a lot of tutorials on AutoCAD and Revit for civil, mechanical, architecture as well as for electrical engineering students. So that's it for this video guys. Everybody stay healthy, stay safe. Bye bye.